2026 Honda Accord is here, and it's making a strong impression with a refined new design, advanced features, and upgraded performance. Honda has focused on enhancing the driving experience while keeping the Accord's legacy of reliability and practicality intact. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone who just appreciates a well-balanced sedan, this year's model offers a lot to love. Visually, the new Accord takes on a bolder, sportier look. The front grille is wider and more pronounced, flanked by sleek LED headlamps that give the car a sharper presence on the road. Subtle lines run along the sides for a more aerodynamic silhouette. And at the back, new taillights add a modern touch. It's a familiar shape, but with refined details that make it feel fresh and more upscale. Inside, the 2026 Accord is all about minimalism and modern comfort. The dashboard is clean, with a large touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the center. Honda has removed most physical buttons, opting instead for digital controls that feel intuitive and easy to use. High-quality materials and improved seat cushioning ensure a comfortable ride for both driver and passengers. One of the standout features is the new 12.3-inch infotainment system, which comes standard on most trims. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a more responsive voice assistant and over-the-air software updates. The higher trims also offer a digital instrument cluster and premium Bose audio for a more immersive in-car experience. Under the hood, the Accord continues with its proven powertrain lineup, but with noticeable enhancements in efficiency and responsiveness. The base model comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 192 horsepower, while the hybrid variant delivers even better fuel economy with a combined output of 204 horsepower. Driving dynamics have been refined with better steering, feedback, and a more composed ride. Safety is as strong as ever. Honda's sensing suite is standard across all trims and includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and enhanced blind spot monitoring. There are also improvements to collision mitigation and pedestrian detection, making the 2026 Accord one of the safest sedans in its class. In terms of practicality, the Accord remains a leader. Rear legroom is generous, and the trunk offers over 16 cubic feet of space, more than enough for a family road trip or a weekend getaway. With great fuel economy, solid build quality, and low long-term maintenance costs, this car continues to be a smart choice for everyday drivers. The 2026 Honda Accord starts at around $29,000 for the base LX trim and goes up to about $39,000 for the top touring hybrid model. It offers great value across the lineup, especially when you factor in the technology, comfort, and reputation for durability. If you're in the market for a midsize sedan that does almost everything right, the new Accord definitely deserves a test drive.